The square, a person that has a really strong structure, angular face features, and blocky, you guys know what is blocky, like a very blocked face, structured jaw, avoiding creating, that's my tip, I'll give it to you guys, avoiding create more structured haircuts with angles. The top has to be softer to soft the angles when it's too square. And it's all about giving the contrast, a good contrast for that type of face. So the upside down triangles, we can see there's a heart shape, we have upside down triangles, we have others, but all those three I put in one so you guys understand. So upside down triangles, the heart shape, the triangle, and the dynamond face. Dynamond face is when the cheek is too wide, the he is pointy, and the head is pointy. You guys see clients like that? The head does this. I saw many. So all those three shapes essentially has the same features. A pointy chin that opens from the cheekbones up, okay? For narrowed chin, adding up more facial hair is a great way to balance face. Chin that is pointy is too small or pointy, adding hair, putting more hair, it helps with the balance of the face. I recommend not using tapering in this situation. If you're tapering and you slimmer more, make more pointy, it doesn't make sense in this case. Instead, use something more natural, softer, and fuller on the whole face. Square or round will definitely be good option for this type of face. Oval, most likely you can do anything with this shape because most of the hairstyles will look good, and because in this shape you don't have much to do. The oval face is almost like you have just add a little more hair here and there, it's good. Most of all the haircuts will work it out with this really good. Just avoid short beards, very short, will make oval. I recommend a round or a square shape. So we're always looking to bring all the features, all the lines towards the square shape. The round shape, round faces lack structure. When it's too round, it lacks structure. Structure means that you're creating that box look. It lacks structure or strength in terms of real defined features. The feature is the angles, okay, of the man. Because of the lack of face angles, you have to select a hairstyle that is going to bring more structure to the face. So when I was explaining about your hair, it's not because you don't have a square shape, it's because you might gain weight a little bit and your cheeks pop out, right? Because you're married, right? And then your cheeks pop out and then it rounds off too much and your chin is smaller. All we're looking for is to enhance that with hair. So we need to use hair to compensate what it needs to compensate.